Are you frustrated with waiting too long to export your project and wasting most of your time? Well, you don't have to worry anymore. In this video, I will show you how to make your rendering or exporting project 10 times faster and save your time. Firstly, when exporting your project, keep your output resolution same as the input resolution. Higher the output resolution, take more time to export. To do this, open Premiere Pro and open the file. I have already opened it, and then press Ctrl and M together. An exporting tab will open. Here you have to switch the output resolution to the method high bitrate and then export your project. Now on to the second step, switch your rendering option to GPU acceleration. This allows the GPU to handle the exporting mode, leaving your CPU for other tasks. To do this, open the project, go to File and then go to Project Setting, then click on General Setting, and here switch the rendering option to GPU acceleration. For the third step, clean up your media cache and free up space of your PC and laptop. To do this, go to Edit option and then Preference option, and then here you can see Media Cache option. Click on it. After that, a new tab will open. Remove your media cache by clicking on Delete and then OK. Now the fourth and the most important step. If you want to maintain your project quality, consider downgrading your Adobe Premiere Pro version. For example, if you are using Adobe Premiere Pro 2023, downgrade to 2020 or lower. These versions are designed for low-end PCs and laptops and perform very well in them. You can also say I also use 2021 version of Premiere Pro. In fifth and the last step, consider upgrading your PC for better performance and higher quality video. Mainly focus to upgrade your GPU. That's it for today. If you like this video, tell me in the comment how this video is, and don't forget to subscribe.